Everyone, this is an overview of our day in Kyoto on Saturday. This is the trip that we've added this day. So Osaka is one of the major cities in Japan, and it's out by the water, out by the port, but Kyoto used to be the former capital for over 1,000 years, and this is where we're going to be spending our time. This is the main train station right in the center of town. Our hotel is right by the train station. You can see it, the No Hotel. Yodobashi is one of the most famous electronic stores in all of Japan. It's located really close. I just want to give you a proximity. So on Saturday morning, our first stop will be the Roanji Temple. This is the famous place that Steve Jobs liked to go to. And then after that, we're going to go to a rock garden and a statue garden, which is absolutely fabulous. And then from there, we're going to go to the Golden Pavilion, normally known as Kinkakuji. After Kinkakuji, we will go over to Dotokuji. And in Dotokuji, there is a fabulous rock garden and sand garden and a bonsai garden. We want to show you that it's just absolutely exquisite. After that, we will go for lunch in a walking food market called Nishiki Market. It is absolutely incredible. It's over the top cool. You're going to love that. Then we're going to go to the main temple of the Emperor of Japan, which is called Toji Temple. And this is one of the most beautiful places you'll ever see. You'll be blown away by that as well. And after that, we're going to end the day up at Kiyomizu Temple. We're going to do a beautiful walking tour up through an old Meiji village, and you're going to absolutely love it. The next morning, we'll wake up, and you will get on a train or a bus to Osaka, and specifically, you'll go to one of two airports, Itami Airport, which is not likely. This is a domestic airport. Some of you might be flying out of there, but most will go out of KIX, or Osaka International, which is the airport that's very famous right in the middle of the water in the bay. You will fly either home if you got a direct flight, or you'll go back up to Tokyo, about a 30-minute flight, and you'll either fly out of Narita or Haneda. Haneda, which is the airport which is very close to the middle of Tokyo. Narita is a little bit outside, but you'll be flying to respective airports accordingly. Hopefully this gives you a nice overview of your day in Kyoto.